Does the program include a PGCE? Our program currently does not include a PGCE, and that is actually a feature, not a flaw, of the program. What we've done is we're going to prepare you in many different ways for success on a PGCE program, in ways that won't replicate what's going to happen on a PGCE, but actually set you up for it. And then because we have room in our curriculum, because we don't focus on so much about behavioral management and how do we teach this way or teach that way, rather we take a step back and we think about education from a social science perspective. How do we generate knowledge about education, teaching, curriculum, etc.? How do we examine that evidence and get to the truthiness of it? How do we understand how it might work within schools? How do certain approaches to education affect different communities within society? How does it intersect with ideas around identity, sexuality, gender, etc.? These are really important concepts and issues that folks on a PGCE course want you to be able to engage with. And so it's nice to go into a PGCE course prepared for those conversations rather than learning it as you go.